What if you had one ingredient that could do it all, like charcoal? I always knew it had tons of uses, like in writing ink, for an ancient vein liner, and I've used it in my art every day. But I found out recently that it's a must-have ingredient in my beauty routine too. Now before we start, this video is sponsored by Good Vibes, and we have partnered with them for a special glamorous offer that you are going to love. But more on that later in the video. My skin can be sensitive and has the tendency to have angry breakouts at the most inconvenient times. So I was excited to find out charcoal can also cleanse my skin. It helps prep my skin for the day in the mornings and then washes off all the dirt and pollution sitting on my skin and in my pores before bed. The Good Vibes Deep Cleansing Face Mask is super cooling, and the charcoal detoxifies my skin by pulling up all the gunk to the surface so that I can stay safe from acne and breakouts caused by clogged pores. I apply it all over my face, avoiding my eyebrows and mouth, and let it dry for 20 to 25 minutes. I use it once a week for the perfect deep clean that adds a little glow to my skin right when I need it. Before I tell you the rest, if you are into beauty like me, you will love this. Good Vibes is an exciting new beauty brand that uses exotic ingredients like charcoal that are super potent and has products that have no baddies like parabens and sulfates too. We have partnered with them for a series of videos that will help you with all things beauty. And we have a great offer for you as well. Not sure if you know this about me, but I'm addicted to heat styling my hair, which is really starting to take its toll. Luckily, I stumbled upon this scalp detoxifying remedy that has allowed my scalp to recover from overheating. All I do is mix 1 tablespoon of charcoal powder with 2 tablespoons of hibiscus oil and a few drops of lavender essential oil and massage it into my roots. It removes dead skin and product buildup, and the oils help with hair regrowth. I've always been a little insecure about my teeth. I'm definitely guilty of indulging in tons of chocolates and brightly colored drinks, so over the years they've gotten a little stained. On my hunt for perfect pearly whites, I found this viral whitening remedy. All I do is make a paste of charcoal powder and water and brush my teeth with it to help the stains fade, so I always feel comfortable smiling widely. So now you know all the ways charcoal can make its way into your beauty cabinet. Thanks for watching the video. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.